Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing well today and enjoying your Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to everybody out there. Today we are back again. Hopefully I'm gonna be uploading videos on a more basic schedule now that winter's over and I have some more time now. Today we have a yard sale tool haul. This is actually something I picked up at the flea market, but you guys have not seen yet. It's a VBW number 11, 1-inch, made in Germany, Swedish pipe wrench. I don't know much about this. I paid like 15 bucks for it. Looked like it was made by Kinetics, maybe. I'm not sure. Possibly one of you guys knows something more about this. But moving on, kind of getting into some of the stuff that I'm more excited about. Snap-on KRA 255. 10. I paid $5 for each of these, 10 bucks for the pair. This one has some older Williams sockets in it. So that's a Williams 3/16. I have a Mac 1/4-inch drive deep, Cornwell 5/16 with a magnetic. That one's pretty cool. This is another Cornwell USA 7/16. I think these may be impact sockets. I am not completely sure. This one here is another old Williams 7/16. And then the Snap-on 3/8 drive. I looked up the date stamp on this one. I believe this is a 1950. I believe 3/8 1/4-inch drive. Still in good shape. And then we also have, where'd it go? This one is a Snap-on deep. 3/8. And the date code on this one, 1951. Come on. I believe this one to be in 1951. And then this one, I don't know. I need your guys' help on this one. Maybe Midwest Tool Review. Maybe you might have some information on something like this. Snap-on PM-14- made in USA 7/16. However, this is not a 1/4-inch drive. I believe it's 11/32 drive, maybe. This is, I don't even know. Yeah, 7/16. But this is not a normal 1/4-inch drive, and as seen here. So I don't know. Maybe one of you guys out there has some information on this. If you do, please chime in. I would like to know. I'm curious anyways. And then it has this one here is also Snap-on. This is a government issue. Same thing with this guy here. Snap-on government. Focus. There we go. Snap-on 7/32 GTM. And then the rest of these are craftsman. Anything from double E to V. There's a SK. But yeah, there's a mixture. There's double E. There's some older stuff like V series. There's a lot of the V series actually, I think. Yeah, mostly all V and double E series, which I'm not sure. I don't know enough about Craftsman to actually know that, but it's pretty cool still. And then here, this is a vintage plum. Well, I guess I'm assuming it's vintage plum socket set. Came with this cheap ratchet, vintage Craftsman double E 1/4 inch drive breaker bar, and then a full set of, well, I guess I haven't gone through it and seen what sizes are actually in here, but of plum sockets. There's 1/4 inch. Some of them ain't in as good of shape as others are, but for $5, I thought that these were pretty cool. I definitely made my money back. I was looking, this 10 online alone is going for anywhere from $50 to $60 in decent shape. So, I mean, I guess I made my money back there. I guess also if any of you have any interest in any of these, I want to keep the snap-ons, but I mean the Craftsman ones, if one of you guys need one to fill in a set, that might be something that's possible. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think about the socket here, the snap-on. I'm really interested about this one. I couldn't find much on it. And then the big thing of this haul right here, 1-inch drive ingersoll-rand model A C435. And this thing does work. I paid, sorry, there was B. I paid $30 for this. Not sure if that was a good deal or not, but I'm gonna be getting an adapter to adapt it down to my 3/4 inch drive sockets and go from there. It is adapted down to take the smaller air hose already. I'll just leave it like that because I don't have any 1/2 inch air line, but it is adapted down. There's maybe a serial number on it. I'm not sure how old this thing is or what the ratings on it are. I couldn't find anything. If you guys know more information about it, I'd be interested to know some more information about this too. The reverse and forward is actually backwards to most. Reverse is over here on the right hand side of the tool, and then forward is over here on the left hand side of the tool. It has the adjustments, your little arrow. Yeah, this thing works pretty well actually. It's heavy. Not sure how old it is or much about it, but for $30, I figured I couldn't pass it up. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. There's going to be more videos in the upcoming future. I have some tool reviews to do, and I think we're going to be doing the giveaway finally. I wanted to wait to do it until I knew I was going to be back on a regular basis, and I'm going to be trying to do at least a couple videos a week now. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Have a great day.